we have our friends Kai and River in town right now, and we are going to do a fun little video because last night the version 9 of the Tesla software update just happened.
It's here!
It's here. And one of the coolest things...
That's what we're doing!
That's what we're doing. Lincoln,
Yes!
Lincoln didn't know why we rode our bikes all the way up here to this beautiful spot with all the rocks and everything by the airport, which a plane just took off, by the way. It was pretty cool.
Can't like
Lincoln, what do you know about version 9? Why are you so excited?
It's like complete autopilot. It's almost complete autopilot.
Not almost complete, but it is a better autopilot. That is true.
Yeah, like
do you know about the new Easter egg?
No.
Yeah, let's go find out.
Oh no.
Let's go find it, bud. Hop
Have
in.
you seen it yet?
Yeah,
Oh.
I've seen it. Let's shut all the doors real
Oh, they
quick.
changed it right here too.
Oh yeah, the whole thing is different. Like this whole section looks different. Like even the air conditioning, look how different that is. And then like the music is even set up a little bit different.
Oh, I like it though.
Go to Easter eggs and find this thing. See if you see anything new on it.
Oh, Atari?
Atari. Do you know what Atari is? Do you know what Atari is?
No, I'm thinking it's a game.
Lincoln, do you know?
Sounds like.
So when I was young, like in the 80s, Atari was like the Nintendo, and they did video games.
Kyle's right!
So what is this gonna be then? Should I tap on it?
Tap on it.
I swear, if it shoots us. Oh no way!
We got old video games from the 80s or the
Start.
70s.
Oh, that's awesome.
I think I'm the Reddit bot. Do I shoot these guys?
This game is called Centipede. You're supposed to destroy the centipede before it gets to you and eats you. Or the spider
Oh,
gets
you
you.
died.
You didn't tell me that! Okay.
Kill him, Lincoln. Get him.
This game's hard.
Not every game's as easy as Fortnite, Lincoln.
Yeah, that game's easier. A spider! What is this?
Game over. You lost.
Oh my gosh, that's so cool. Good job, you killed it.
One more!
Kill it! No!
I did it!
Okay, so there are a few games that are on this. One of them is Centipede. Lincoln's learning. You got better. You went to like level 3. That was pretty good.
Yeah.
We've got a couple of games.
No way.
Oh, we have more.
Asteroids?
Asteroids.
Missile Command? Lunar Lander? Let's try asteroids.
Okay, move out of the way. Let's let Kai do this one. Hop in the back.
Did you play with this last night?
Just this morning.
You have to kill all of the asteroids that are coming at you. Oh, shoot.
Oh! No!
That was pretty good. We have Asteroids, which is a little bit difficult. We're still figuring that one out. Centipede, that one's pretty easy to get the hang of.
I like Centipede.
The next one, let's try another one, Kai. Kai's set on being the pro at this.
Ah! You just drove right into that one.
The next one.
Missile command. Missile command.
Okay, Missile Command it is.
Ooh.
Ooh, look
Pixelated.
at those graphics.
Pixelated.
Wow.
Okay.
1980,
This is
see?
hard.
It says Atari 1980, that's when I was born.
Kill it all. Kill it all. Just kill it all. Nothing coming in this. Pew, 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 pew.
We need some sound effects for
I
this
know,
one.
right?
Oh no, one base gone.
2 base down.
Oh, they're coming for that base. Get that guy.
Go, go, go.
Oh!
Yeah, that is hard. Oh, what the heck?
They've got cool graphics, so look at that.
Yeah, the end.
Stop.
Man, that was big
Try
time.
the lunar.
1980. Okay, the last one we're gonna try, it is
Lunar Lander.
Lunar Lander. Okay, Kai, go for it, buddy. This is the Lunar Lander. So you're that guy flying in the sky,
Do I have to try to
and you need to land down below. And by the way, our screen is so nasty. Fingerprints.
Thrusters. Oh no.
Oh!
So close.
We had that.
Oh,
Oh my gosh.
No.
Oh man.
Land it now.
Keep going. Straight. Oh, there we go. Oh my god. Okay, let it go. No.
Oh!
Hey, look,
Wait.
look.
You just destroyed 100 mega block lander. 10 points. What is that?
Let's go. Just got 10 points somehow. Okay. No.
Oh
Oh.
my
We
God.
created a 2-mile crater.
Oh.
Wow. A little bit more.
No!
We were like that close.
When we land, we want it to be
Alright.
0.
Okay, start dropping it. Just a little bit. Now go.
Let go.
Go.
Gotta get to 0, guys.
No, you gotta leave it up to like 10.
You gotta get it lower.
Yes!
Do
100 points! Oh wow.
this.
It is possible. You gotta come in slow. You have to look at your vertical speed and really make sure. So if you guys have a Tesla, try this out and let us know what your record is, like how well you've landed. That's the best we've done so far. We're gonna be playing around with this a bit more. But anyway, you can't do this while you're driving. This is only for something when you're parked.
Oh, I wanted to do it when you were driving like on a road trip.
I know, that would be fun. Or maybe while you're supercharging, why not drop in a video game, a few video games into your car? That's how cool Elon Musk is. That's how cool Tesla is. When your car is basically an electric computer, you can just drop in these software updates. Pretty fun, guys?
Yeah, that's
really
awesome.
fun.
It's awesome.
All right. Good luck with all your lunar missions.
Thank you.
Gracias.
Looks like we're already on Mars out here. Look at this place.
Especially over on those.
One.